गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट आर द स्टेट फंक्शंस एंड पाथ फंक्शंस. These are frequently used in the thermodynamics. Okay, so state functions, as the name tells, they depend only on the state of the system irrespective of the path followed to reach that state. जबकि पाथ फंक्शन जो हैं वो उसके पाथ पे डिपेंड करते हैं. जैसे कि हम मान लो पीवी डायग्राम में ये दो स्टेट दिखाई, प्रेशर P1 वॉल्यूम V1 एंड टेम्परेचर T1, दिस इज द स्टेट 1, एंड स्टेट 2 रिप्रेजेंट्स प्रेशर P2 वॉल्यूम V2 एंड टेम्परेचर T2. अब मान लीजिए ये जो प्रेशर वॉल्यूम और टेम्परेचर हैं, दे आर डिपेंडेंट ओनली ऑन द स्टेट ऑफ द सिस्टम, सो दे आर द स्टेट फंक्शंस. Okay, so pressure, volume, temperature, and I can also write say internal energy or enthalpy or entropy. They are all state functions. Okay, at point 2, say internal energy is U2, enthalpy is S2, entropy is S2. So they are all state functions because their values depend only on the state. Okay, or we can also define them that the change in their value will depend only on the initial and final state and not on the path taken फॉर गोइंग फ्रॉम स्टेट 1 टू स्टेट 2. यानी मैं स्टेट 1 पे से स्टेट 2 पे जब जाऊंगा तो मेरा चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी विल बी U2 माइनस U1, चेंज इन एंथैल्पी विल बी S2 माइनस H1, एंड चेंज इन एंट्रोपी विल बी S2 माइनस S1. दैट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द पाथ टेकन, वेदर आई गो like this or I go like this from state 1 to state 2. The values of S1 and S2 are same, and the change in entropy S2 minus S1 will remain same irrespective of the path taken for going from state 1 to state 2. अभी हम जो पाथ फंक्शंस पे डिस्कस करते हैं कि हाउ द पाथ फंक्शंस वेरी बेस्ड ऑन द पाथ टेकन. तो पाथ फंक्शंस जो हैं जैसे कि हीट एंड वर्क, दे आर द पाथ फंक्शंस बिकॉज दे आर नॉट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सिस्टम, दे आर ओनली द मीन्स टू एक्सचेंज एनर्जी बिटवीन द सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग्स. सो अगर मैं पीवी डायग्राम में लेट अस शो ए गैस एक्सपेंड्स फ्रॉम प्रेशर P1, this is pressure P1, and here the volume is V1. Okay, so this is P1 V1 and say temperature T1. It is expanding like this to say P2 V2 and T2. अभी जो वर्क डन होगा in going from say this is V1, here it is V1 and here it is V2. Okay, so the gas is expanding from volume V1 to final volume V2. Now the work done during this process is given by integral P dV from V1 to V2, which is nothing but the area under this curve. Okay, so this area will represent the work done by the gas. So this area is the work done. Okay, now if I say follow a different path, say I go from here to here using this path, okay, then the work done by the gas will be the total area under this curve. So this, okay, so that area will now be this total area. So the work done is higher if I change the path for going from state 1 to state 2. So that is why we say that work is a path function. It is not a state function. Or we can show a cyclic process to make it further clear. Suppose this is our PV diagram, and suppose there is a cyclic process from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3 to 4, and 4 to 1. Okay, so I start with the state 1 having pressure, some pressure P1, V1, T1, and I end up again at the same state following this path. Now, if you see for this cyclic process, then delta U will be 0. Because the initial state and final state both are same. Delta H, that is enthalpy change, will be 0. Delta S, that is entropy change, will be 0 for this cyclic process. But if we see the work done during this cyclic process, that will be given by the area of this cycle. Okay, so the area of the cycle will give the work done during this cycle. Okay, even though my initial and final state are same, this much work will be done by the gas. So net work done by the gas will be equal to the area of this cycle. Okay. So we can say that work done and the heat exchange between system and surroundings, they are the path functions as their value depends on the path taken. But if I use the first law of thermodynamics, which says delta U equal to Q plus W. So even though Q and W individually they are the path functions, their summation is a state function because delta U is the change in internal energy which depends only on the initial and final state of the system. So Q and W both are path functions, but Q plus W is a state function because it is nothing but the increase in internal energy of the system. So that is a state function. I hope this is clear.